Here are some tips on how to prepare for an intake appointment with an EEOC staff member regarding your inquiry about possible discrimination, harassment, or retaliation. Prepare to answer some questions. We may ask you to answer the same question more than once, since there are multiple steps in the process and you may not be with the same EEOC staff member each time. They may ask you a question again just for clarification. Remember that the EEOC staff member you are talking to doesn't have all the context necessary to understand what you've experienced, so come with enough details to paint a full picture. Come to the interview with the names, addresses, or contacts for the people who may be involved in your case. This includes your employers, peers who may be receiving normal or better treatment in comparison to you, and witnesses who can vouch for your case. If possible, please also share any supporting information or material related to the discrimination, harassment, or retaliation. Concrete evidence, if you have it, can help make it easier to share your story. Evidence can include, but is not limited to, notices, letters, emails, and text messages, and other records or files. At your intake appointment, we will ask you to describe what happened to you and when. You do not need to bring notes, but it is helpful to bring any information and material like emails or text messages that show what happened and when. Make sure to remember the date and time of your appointment. High demand means that limited availability can make it difficult to reschedule. Your appointment may last around an hour. If your interview is online or over the phone, make sure you're somewhere where you can speak freely and talk without others listening. If your interview is in person, make sure you bring a government-issued identification or let the office know in advance if you do not have one. In our next and final video in this series, we will share some of the questions that may be asked at an intake appointment. Visit eeoc.gov for more information. EEOC, respectful and inclusive workplace and equal employment opportunities for all.